Canada might be at war, as Chinese ships have been spotted in sea coming towards Canada. Maybe they are just saying a warning. I'm still confused about everyone. Stay inside just in case. Well, we got some news. China wants to start war.
This is a test of the Albert Public Warning System. Your life is not in a danger as if there was anything going on. There will be instructions to protect your family and yourself. This is only a test. No action required.
C'est un test du système d'alerte public Albert. Votre vie n'est pas en danger comme si quelque chose se passait. Il y aurait des instructions pour protéger votre famille et vous-même. Ce n'est qu'un test. Aucune action n'est
Recent hijacking has been happened in Alberta. As the testlet was going on, someone hijacked and said, "This is not a test. They are lying to you. They want..."
Event type is emergency. For Ontario, Southern Kawartha Lakes, Georgia. For Uxbridge, Northern Durham Region. Emergency warning in effect for Ontario, Southern Kawartha Lakes, Georgia, Uxbridge, Northern Durham Region. Shelter in place when threatening shooting or invasion approaches. Please monitor for further updates to this alert.
The United States government has issued a local area emergency. Canada and China are at war. We will be helping Canada as China started war for no reason.